In the realm of cloud computing, security is paramount. Microsoft Azure, a leading cloud service provider, offers a robust suite of identity, access, and security features designed to protect your data and applications. This presentation delves into the core aspects of Azure's security framework, exploring how it ensures the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your resources. From identity management to access control and advanced security measures, we'll cover everything you need to know to leverage Azure's capabilities effectively. Azure Identity is the cornerstone of Azure's security framework. It encompasses services and features that manage user identities and their access to resources. Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, is the primary service for identity management, providing a centralized platform for managing users, groups, and devices. Azure AD supports single sign-on, SSO, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and conditional access policies, ensuring that only authorized users can access your resources. By integrating with on-premises directories and other cloud services, Azure AD offers a seamless and secure identity management experience. Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, is a cloud-based identity and access management service. It helps employees sign in and access resources such as Microsoft 365, the Azure portal, and thousands of other SaaS applications. Azure AD provides features like SSO, which allows users to log in once and access multiple applications without re-entering credentials. Additionally, Azure AD supports MFA, adding an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. With Azure AD, organizations can implement conditional access policies to enforce access controls based on user location, device state, and other factors. Single sign-on SSO is a key feature of Azure AD that enhances user experience and security. With SSO, users can access multiple applications with a single set of credentials, reducing the need to remember multiple passwords. This not only simplifies the login process, but also minimizes the risk of password-related security breaches. SSO integrates seamlessly with various applications, both on-premises and in the cloud, providing a unified authentication experience. By centralizing authentication, SSO helps organizations enforce consistent security policies and streamline user management. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is a critical security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to user accounts. MFA requires users to provide two or more verification methods, such as a password and a mobile app code, to access resources. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if a user's password is compromised. Azure AD supports various MFA methods, including phone calls, text messages, and app notifications. By implementing MFA, organizations can enhance their security posture and protect sensitive data from cyber threats. Conditional access is a powerful feature in Azure AD that allows organizations to enforce access controls based on specific conditions. These policies can be configured to grant or deny access based on factors such as user location, device compliance, and risk level. For example, an organization can require MFA for users accessing resources from outside the corporate network, or block access from non-compliant devices. Conditional access policies help organizations balance security and productivity by providing flexible and granular control over access to resources. Azure Role-Based Access Control, RBAC, is a key feature for managing access to Azure resources. RBAC allows organizations to assign roles to users, groups, and applications, granting them specific permissions based on their responsibilities. With RBAC, organizations can implement the principle of least privilege, ensuring that users have only the access they need to perform their tasks. Azure provides built-in roles, such as owner, contributor, and reader, as well as the ability to create custom roles. By using RBAC, organizations can manage access to resources efficiently and securely. Azure Security Center is a unified infrastructure security management system that strengthens the security posture of your data centers. It provides advanced threat protection across your hybrid workloads in the cloud and on-premises. Security Center continuously assesses the security state of your resources, identifying vulnerabilities and providing recommendations to mitigate risks. It also offers integrated security monitoring and policy management, helping organizations detect and respond to threats quickly. With features like just-in-time VM access and adaptive application controls, Security Center enhances the overall security of your Azure environment. Azure Key Vault is a cloud service that provides secure storage and management of sensitive information, such as API keys, passwords, and certificates. By centralizing the management of secrets, Key Vault helps organizations safeguard their data and control access to critical information. Key Vault integrates with other Azure services, enabling secure key management for applications and services. It also supports hardware security modules, HSMs, for enhanced security. With features like access policies and audit logs, Azure Key Vault ensures that sensitive information is protected and access is monitored. Azure Sentinel is a scalable, cloud-native security information and event management (SHIM) solution. It provides intelligent security analytics and threat intelligence across the enterprise, helping organizations detect, investigate, and respond to threats. Sentinel collects data from various sources, including Azure services, on-premises systems, and third-party solutions, providing a comprehensive view of the security landscape. With built-in AI and automation capabilities, Sentinel helps security teams identify and mitigate threats faster. By leveraging Azure Sentinel, organizations can enhance their security operations and protect their environments from advanced cyber threats. Azure Firewall is a managed, cloud-based network security service that protects your Azure Virtual Network resources. It provides stateful firewall capabilities, enabling organizations to control and monitor network traffic. Azure Firewall supports both application and network-level filtering, allowing organizations to define rules based on IP addresses, ports, and protocols. With features like threat intelligence-based filtering and integration with Azure Monitor, Azure Firewall helps organizations enhance their network security posture. By using Azure Firewall, organizations can protect their virtual networks from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Azure DDoS Protection is a service that helps protect your applications from distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks. It provides automatic detection and mitigation of DDoS attacks, ensuring the availability and performance of your applications. Azure DDoS Protection offers two tiers, Basic and Standard. The Basic tier is included with Azure services and provides protection against common network-level attacks. The Standard tier offers advanced protection features, such as adaptive tuning and real-time attack metrics. By leveraging Azure DDoS Protection, organizations can safeguard their applications from the impact of DDoS attacks and ensure business continuity. Implementing security best practices is essential for protecting your Azure environment. Some key practices include using strong authentication methods, such as MFA, and regularly reviewing access controls to ensure they align with the principle of least privilege. Organizations should also implement network security measures, such as Azure Firewall and Network Security Groups, NSGs, to control and monitor traffic. Regularly updating and patching systems, enabling logging and monitoring, and conducting security assessments are also crucial. By following these best practices, organizations can enhance their security posture and protect their Azure resources from potential threats. In conclusion, Azure provides a comprehensive suite of identity, access, and security features designed to protect your data and applications. From Azure AD and RBAC to advanced security services like Azure Security Center and Azure Sentinel, organizations have the tools they need to secure their environments. By understanding and implementing these features, organizations can enhance their security posture and protect their resources from cyber threats. As a next step, consider exploring Azure's security documentation and best practices to deepen your knowledge and ensure your Azure environment is secure.